Sup everybody, Logan here from Crypto Videos, back with another video. Today we're talking about the Meow token, also known as the Meow Motion token. And this token is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 25th, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on this token, talk about how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it's known as the Meow Motion token, but if you go to their BSC scan, this is a BEP20 token on the Binance Smart Chain. If you go to their BSC scan, name of the token is Meow token and ticker symbol is Meow. So for our 399 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and they have a max total supply of 1 billion tokens. Now, it was just announced that this token will be getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 25th at 8 a.m. UTC time. This token will be listed on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Meow, the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their webpage is meowmotion.xyz. Over there you can find their Twitter, TikTok, Telegram, Light paper. You can find a YouTube channel. You can connect your wallet. It tells you why here, and we'll talk about that in a second. Now, if you want to skip right to their light paper, you could just go to meow-motion.gitbook.io. It says, life is harsh, but cats are cute. And this is definitely true. Meow Motion, introducing Meow. The Meow Motion is a collaboration between the Chicago-based artificial intelligence artist at Meow Motion and OpenAI's Sora, drawing inspiration from their work AI Cat. Now, this project emerges from a deep enthusiasm for digital art and artificial intelligence technology, aiming to explore the potential of these cutting-edge technologies in crafting distinctive and endearing athletic cat images that provoke contemplation on animal protection and adoption. In the realm of digital art, artists have imbued cat images with anthropomorphic traits to enhance their expressiveness and emotional resonance. These athletic feline depictions transcend mere digital renderings, exuding vitality and spirit through the artist's inventive prowess and technological finesse. Interacting with these virtual cats allows audiences to sense the emotions and dynamism encapsulated within, thereby instigating care and awareness for animal welfare and adoption. So central to the Meow Motion project is the pivotal role played by AI technology. Leveraging AI enhancements and digital cat portrayals exhibits heightened intelligence and interactivity, fostering deeper connections with viewers. The integration of AI technology not only injects innovation and whimsy into the project, but also delivers more immersive and engaging experiences for the audience, enabling them to interact with these feline images authentically and enjoyably within the virtual realm. The overarching vision of the Meow Motion project is to communicate messages of love and compassion through the fusion of digital art and AI technology, prompting individuals to contemplate and act upon matters of animal protection and adoption. Beyond being a showcase of artistic ingenuity, this project stands as the platform depicted to social responsibility and empathy. By showcasing these unique and heartwarming digital cat images, it is hoped that audiences will be guided towards a path of increased care and reverence for animals, contributing to the creation of a more harmonious world where humans and animals coexist in mutual respect. So why Meow? Well, fusion of art and technology. The primary objective of the Meow Motion project is to seamlessly blend art and technology. Also, community empowerment and engagement. Building a love for cats community. Another key objective is to harness the power of community and foster participation in building a supportive and engaged love for cats community, and utilizing Meow to build an AI agent for decentralized physical infrastructure network. An essential goal is to leverage Meow to develop an AI agent that constructs a decentralized physical infrastructure network. So Meowfi, the AI agent seeking the path of human-machine coexistence, can bring new possibilities into the DeFi film. So now they have here, or field, sorry, I said film. So they have human-machine coexistence and DeFi technology, data-driven business models reshaping the blockchain field, and the Meow agent is the protagonist, and they have a background story, and they have a mission for the AI agent. And they have Meowfi Ventures revolutionizing the future of connectivity with the Meowfi ecosystem, connectivity solutions, data optimization, smart contracts, and community engagement. Now, their Twitter, I'm going to put that in the corner of the screen over here so you guys can easily find this project at motion_meow. And it has a link to their webpage there, a link to their Telegram at motion_meow is the Telegram. They have 22,700 Twitter followers, 159 posts, blue verified check mark. And in their most recent tweet here, they're talking about new listings. They have they did a Twitter space where they talk about the project, it looks like there. You can listen to that. And the Telegram has 7,993 members, and over 1,100 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to talk to their community members. You can see updates on the Twitter, and you can find this token newly listed as of tomorrow, May 25th, on Mexc Global. So make sure you check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.